India isn't just sunshine and spice, it's also home to some epic ski resorts. Not many know this, but you can actually ski in India, and from December to March the Himalayas transform into a snowy playground with world-class slopes, gondola rides, and powder-packed adventures. Don't expect an abundance of slopes like you'd find in Europe or North America, but what you do get is incredible Himalayan scenery, thrilling powder, and a skiing experience that feels truly one of a kind. Today, we're counting down the best ski resorts in India where you can ski, snowboard, or just soak in the winter vibes. And stick around till the end, because the last destination on this list will surprise you. Number 5. Narkanda. Nestled at an elevation of 2,700 meters along the historic Hindustan-Tibet Road, Narkanda is a serene hill station in Himachal Pradesh, offering breathtaking views of the snow-capped Himalayan ranges. Known for its winter sports, Narkanda is one of India's oldest ski destinations, attracting skiers from across the country and even abroad. The ski season runs from December to March, and the Tourism Development Corporation offers certified lessons with professional instructors, making it perfect for both beginners and intermediate skiers. Just 8 kilometers from Narkanda lies Hatu Peak, standing at 3,400 meters, a popular spot for skiing and trekking, offering panoramic views of the surrounding valleys. The slopes of Narkanda itself are gentle enough for learners, yet varied enough to challenge seasoned skiers. Beyond skiing, the small town's quiet charm, scenic beauty, and cozy accommodations make it an ideal winter getaway. If you're looking for the perfect hotel, check out Tethys Ski Resort Hotel. Your room will have magnificent views. Whether you're chasing adventure or simply looking to soak in the Himalayan snow, Narkanda promises an unforgettable experience. Getting to Narkanda is somewhat straightforward. The nearest airport is Guwahati, next to Shimla, around 80 kilometers away, and from Shimla you can reach Narkanda by bus, cab, or even the scenic Shimla-Kalka toy train. Number 4. Kufri. Just a short drive from Shimla, Kufri sits at an elevation of around 2,500 meters, making it one of the most accessible ski destinations in Himachal Pradesh. Known as the winter sports capital of Shimla, Kufri offers slopes suitable for both beginners and intermediate skiers. The ski season runs from mid-December to early February, with the best snow conditions during this period. Ski schools here provide professional instruction, ensuring that first-timers and seasoned skiers alike can enjoy a safe and fun experience. Beyond skiing, Kufri is home to attractions like the Himalayan Nature Park and Mahasu Peak, offering stunning views of the surrounding mountains. After a day on the slopes, visitors can unwind in cozy accommodations in town, making Kufri a perfect winter getaway close to the capital city. Check out Kufri Heritage Resort for a relaxing stay with spa and wellness. Kufri is just 16 kilometers from Shimla, making it very easy to reach. From Shimla, you can reach Kufri by taxi, private cab, or local bus in about 30 to 45 minutes. If you're flying, the nearest airport is Guwahati Airport, around 23 kilometers from Kufri. You can hire a taxi from the airport directly to the resort. Number 3. Solang Valley. Nestled in the heart of the Himalayas near Manali, Solang Valley is a snow lover's paradise where every slope promises adventure and epic views. Sitting at about 2,500 meters, this winter wonderland is ideal for both first-time skiers and intermediates. From mid-December to mid-February, the valley transforms into a playground of powder, perfect for skiing, snowboarding, and even adrenaline-packed activities like paragliding. Beyond sports, Solang Valley is a feast for the eyes. Pine forests dusted with snow, sunlit peaks in the distance, and sparkling white slopes create a postcard-perfect landscape. It's also a great place for photography, sunset views, and simply soaking in the crisp Himalayan air. You can enjoy all this while staying in the beautiful 5-star Solang Valley Resort Hotel. Getting there is simple. Just drive from Manali or fly into Kulu Manali Airport, about 63 kilometers away. With thrilling snow adventures and jaw-dropping scenery at every turn, Solang Valley is a must-visit destination for anyone chasing the ultimate winter escape in India. Number 2. Auli. Perched high in the Garhwal Himalayas of Uttarakhand, Auli is one of India's premier ski destinations. Sitting between 2,800 and 3,050 meters, the resort offers rolling snowy slopes framed by towering peaks like Nanda Devi and Mana, making it a paradise for skiers and snowboarders alike. The ski season runs from December to March, with professional ski schools for beginners and challenging slopes for experts. Beyond skiing, Auli also offers trekking and one of Asia's longest gondola rides, which delivers breathtaking panoramic views of the Himalayas. Auli is as scenic as it is thrilling. Imagine gliding down powdery slopes surrounded by snow-laden pine forests, or pausing to watch the sun set behind jagged Himalayan peaks. Cozy resorts and guest houses provide warm meals and stunning views, making it perfect for both adventure seekers and those who want to soak in the winter of beauty. Getting here is straightforward. The nearest town is Joshimath, about 16 kilometers away, connected by road to major hubs like Rishikesh and Dehradun. From Joshimath, a short drive or scenic gondola ride takes you straight to the slopes. Whether you're chasing adrenaline, epic landscapes, or the thrill of skiing in the Himalayas, Auli Ski Resort is an unforgettable winter escape that belongs on every traveler's list. Number 1. Gulmarg. Finally, we've reached number 1 on our list. Gulmarg, Kashmir's crown jewel of skiing and one of the most thrilling winter destinations in India. Sitting at an elevation of around 2,650 meters and with the famous Gulmarg gondola taking you up to nearly 4,000 meters, this resort offers some of the highest and most exhilarating slopes in the country. Known for its deep powder snow and wide open runs, Gulmarg draws skiers and snowboarders from across India and around the world. The ski season runs from December to March, and whether you're a beginner or an expert chasing untouched powder, Gulmarg has something for everyone. Beginners can take lessons from certified instructors, while advanced skiers can challenge themselves on steep runs, or even try heli-skiing for an unforgettable adventure. Beyond skiing, Gulmarg is absolutely breathtaking. Imagine gliding down pristine slopes surrounded by snow-capped peaks, pausing to take in panoramic Himalayan views, or relaxing in cozy resorts with jaw-dropping scenery right outside your window. The town itself is charming, with local markets, Himalayan hospitality, and plenty of opportunities for winter photography. Getting to Gulmarg is simple. The nearest airport is Srinagar International Airport, about 50 kilometers away, followed by a scenic drive through Kashmir's stunning valleys. With world-class skiing, dramatic landscapes, and alpine charm, Gulmarg Ski Resort is the ultimate winter destination in India. And that's a wrap on the best ski resorts in India. Let's sum up the resorts. Narkanda, perched in Himachal Pradesh, is special for its serene charm and gentle slopes, perfect for beginners. Kufri, near Shimla, offers a fun, family-friendly experience and quick access from the capital. Solang Valley, near Manali, is an adventure hub with snow sports and paragliding. Auli, in Uttarakhand, impresses with sweeping Himalayan vistas and Asia's longest gondola. And Gulmarg, in Kashmir, is India's crown jewel of skiing, famous for deep powder, high-altitude slopes, and even heli-skiing. So, grab your skis, bundle up, and make this winter one to remember. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an adventure.